But immediately Osas goes under the knife. Do you know say they change her level of clientele?
They increase am.
No be just e dey increase am. No be every boy fit approach her again o.
Yes, yeah, true.
You don change her level of clientele because now if e dey bill you,
she dey add the price.
Thank you. E dey bill pain put inside. E go bill the weight of the bomb put inside.
Yes, now.
E go bill maintenance fee because they dey go maintain am o.
Now.
Do you understand me?
Sleepless nights.
And see my advice, do yansh wey your leg fit carry.
Hey, Jesus, very important.
Because there is this girl, girl that used to be skit maker.
Mirage.
Oh my God.
You never see that girl stand?
Oh my God.
Go see that. I dey feel for that girl old age o.
Some people do it.
So that what we are.
No, married people. You know, Tommy talk.
Any married man wey wife do.
I understand your point.
See my ring, we did the industry together. If you be married man, which camera the face? If you be married man, your wife do bomb, you are a useless man.